Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This simple Likung expression many people fail to solve. 9 minus 1 as 8 and 3 minus 4 minus 1 as 3 and 8 times 3 is 24, which is a wrong answer. When you have given multiple operation like subtraction, then bracket and in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have same priority but you have to solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. So first 9 minus 1, we'll write it as same because first we have to solve the parenthesis. 4 minus 1 is 3 and there is a multiplication sign in between. Now subtraction and multiplication, we have to give priority to multiplication. So it's 9 minus 3, that is 6. So what is the correct answer? 6, not 24. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.